Tracking device installation is a very important process, mostly due to its costs. The process itself can be pricey, and in the case of faulty installation, repairs can be very expensive. Also, remember that the tracked vehicles or assets can sometimes be thousands of kilometers away, which can make it impossible to just go and fix issues. There are three main ways we handle device installations. There's nothing better than having people responsible for installations on your staff. You can have your own procedures to ensure high-quality installations and handle issues directly with your staff. However, you have to keep in mind that you need plenty of work to provide a stable job to your technicians. In specific cases, it's better to do installation outsourcing. For example, when your business expands or when having to install devices in a remote area. We have used this approach when operating in large countries, for example, Spain and Finland. In those cases, going out to clients would take too much fuel and time. So instead, we outsource reliable technicians that are closer to the respective client. We've also established a service network, which provides repair services to our clients in specific locations. This is immensely helpful, for example, if a driver's having device issues while in another country. They can head over to the closest partner and receive help from knowledgeable specialists that are familiar with our hardware. Of course, if you choose to go the outsourcing route, make sure you find a partner capable of doing quality work, providing warranty, and fixing any issues if they arise. In our experience, it pays off to have clients install devices by themselves when possible. We prefer this method in cases where clients have access to their own workshops and technicians to maintain their vehicles. We provide them with installation instructions and guide them through the process if needed. Another case when we use this is with plug-and-play type devices. If it's a light vehicle, some tracking devices can be connected to battery clamps or plugged into an OBD2 port. If it's a trailer, there are battery-powered devices which can be installed by just attaching them to the vehicle's frame with strong magnets. Finally, if it's a truck, there's always an option to use an FMS connector, which is a standard way of connecting telemetry devices to trucks. If you want to find out more about developing a telematics business, join us next time on Mapon Express Academy. And for more detailed information, check out the Mapon Guide to Starting Your Fleet Management and Asset Tracking Business, linked in the video description.